Today we're out at One Source Trucks in Burkeville, Virginia. The phone number to call or text is 804-928-9099. And today I'm gonna take a quick walk around video that I actually never thought that I would film. These are two trucks that we have had in our fleet for some time that my guys have kinda not wanted to sell. But at this point we have our shop up and all the equipment in the shop that really makes it so that we can let go of these two units. So that 1994 service truck I've had for about 2.5 years, maybe closer to 3. And this 1999 crane truck I have had for over a year, maybe close to 2. I'd have to look at the paperwork. So we have been using, driving, operating, maintaining these two trucks while we've had them. Everything on these trucks works. We keep them serviced, we keep them maintained, we make sure that all of the apparatus work on them. This is our 1999 crane truck. ALLISON automatic transmission. I believe it's a Cat 7.2 motor. There is a separate functional video on this one and all the details on our website, which is carnetcars.com. And then this is our 99 service truck, or I'm sorry, 94 service truck. 7.6 DT motor, ALLISON automatic transmission. We actually, just to make them look pretty, we fully cosmetically reconditioned both these trucks. So fresh white on the cabs of both of them, fresh white on the back of the service truck. We did maintenance on the outriggers on one or both. That one is down a little bit, but it goes up. The guys just didn't stow it all the way up last time they used it. This truck has all sorts of features on it. I'm going to do a separate operational video on this one because my fleet manager is not here today, but the weather is gorgeous and these trucks just look so good. I was like, I need a video of these two. But you've got crane, fuel tank, honestly not exactly sure what all the components are on this one. Let me zoom back out. I know that it's got ground controls for everything, so you can actually stand here and turn like everything on and off, so you don't have to be climbing in and out of the back. I hope you can see that okay. There's gonna be full pictures. I honestly don't know as much about these trucks as I do a normal piece of inventory because I haven't really researched and dug into them the way that I normally would because the guys just use them. So technical questions, my fleet manager and shop manager can answer all of those questions, but I just thought, God, how good these look. If you want to see what old school, well-maintained, medium-duty service trucks should look like, these are your examples. So these trucks have been here like in the Richmond area, or Virginia, I should say. They've been here in the Virginia area, so there's no rust or corrosion. I'm gonna get up underneath so that you can see the cab of both of these trucks to see how clean and rust-free they are. So there is no cab rot. That is original frame metal right there, y'all. This is a 1994. There is the underside of your bins. There is no rust. So that is under the cab of the 94 service truck. So you can see there's absolutely zero cab rot on that. These are trucks that I hand picked. Like, this is what I do for a living. I buy and sell commercial trucks, and I hand pick these two as just the most affordable and best representation of a slightly older medium duty truck. Well, that's dirt, so that's not a great picture. But I'm gonna try to get up underneath the cab of the 99. Again, y'all, no cab rot. None. This is actually a dump bed. That's original. We did not paint that, y'all. That is original frame metal. My understanding is that both of these trucks, before I got them, were housed inside. And given the overall condition, I believe it. The 99 crane truck came to us from municipality. And my understanding is it was stored inside. When we picked it up, it was in a warehouse. This truck is plumbed for plow and spreader, and it has controls, but it's never been used as such. This is up underneath the bed. I don't know if y'all can see that, but can you see the inside of that frame metal? That's what I'm talking about. I get 2015 model trucks that aren't this clean. Like, it is ridiculous. So that's why I kept them. Probably should have turned them off to do this video. Apologies. But you can see here, a lot of times these trucks will start to develop cab rot back here in this back area. There is none of that. I mean, it is a little dirty. Okay, it's a truck. It's a little dirty. But there is absolutely... Like, look at that, y'all. That is original stickers. You can see and read the original stickers on the undercarriage of this 1999. Come on, y'all. You just don't find trucks like this every day, which is part of the reason why I've been hesitant to sell them. But we can't keep them all, and we do have a full shop now. So pretty much all of the equipment, cranes, compressors, welders, grease guns, whatever it might be that are on these two trucks, I have all that in the shop now. So much to the dismay of, I think, everyone that works for me, these two trucks are up for sale. So if you want more information or details, give us a call, 804-928-9099. The website is Carnet Cars, CarnetCars.com. We are located in Virginia. We are about an hour from the Richmond International Airport. So we can make pickup pretty easy if you're gonna fly in. And I would say you could comfortably expect to drive these trucks just about anywhere. We have put thousands of miles on both of them in the time that we've owned them. And they both start right up. There's no battery draws on either one. Hasn't been any issues. There's no cold start issues. They're both automatic transmissions. As a full service dealership, we can provide 30-day temporary tags. So let us know if there's any more information or details you want on these, and check out the website for more information.